This is Usha Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Trinity College for Women, Namakkal. I'm going to handle the basic concepts of Visual Basic. Visual Basic as programming language. Visual Basic is a programming tool that allow user to develop Windows or GUI application. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. It will be very easy for the user to interact with that particular environment. When compared with other language like a C, C++ or Basic, VB is very easy for writing the coding because it is having drag and drop pre-built object into the form window itself. Visual Basic is much enhanced version of basic programming language. The main difference about VB and other language is VB is having drag and drop method when compared with the other language. Features of Visual Basic. Visual Basic introduced the concept of event-driven programming model. It has built-in database handling features of VB. It incorporated the concepts of objects. It has useful error handling features. It has front-end application developer. It also known as RAD. It's nothing but rapid application development. Now we are going to see the difference between event and event procedure. An event is an action recognized by an object such as clicking a mouse or pressing a key. User can write code to respond to that event. Each object has different events that is recognized. Now we are going to see what is an event procedure. It is a session of code that is executed when an event takes place. Event procedures can be added to your project in the code editor windows. Now we are going to see what are the process to develop a program in Visual Basic. It is a process in which an ordered sequence of steps is defined to develop an application. It includes how the program should work, plan about user interface, implement it, test it. Next, we are going to see how to start Visual Basic environment. Interface of Visual Basic. When users start the window, it displays a screen having certain option. With the help of this screen, user can select the type of project user want to make. Visual Basic environment is platform provided by VB to develop and execute a project. This environment consists of different platforms or control tools and various other options. After selecting Visual Basic 6.0, this window will be opened. It is having three tabs: new, existing, recent. Visual Basic is having different types of project. The default project is standard exe. Visual Basic IDE. When user choose any application platform like any other window application, VB consists of multiple windows which appear at startup. The windows that are displayed when users start VB are collectively known as Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. In this window only, we are going to develop all our VB application. Visual Basic IDE. After opening Visual Basic environment, this is the window of Visual Basic environment. The first one, it is a title bar. The next one, it is a toolbar. The next thing, it is a toolbox. The next one, it is a menu bar. The next thing, it is a project window. Next, property window. The next one is form layout window. Title bar is used for displaying the title of the project. Toolbar is having icons for each and every menu. It is used as a shortcut. The next thing, we are going to have a toolbox. All the objects which are useful for developing or designing a VB application is available under this toolbox. All the options are available under the menu bar. The project details and the form details are available under a project window. Each and every object of the toolbox is having some characteristics or property that is available in the property windows. Where the form window want to viewable at the runtime is designed under your form layout window. Properties window. The properties window let user to change the characteristics or property setting of the form itself and of visual interface elements on the form. The properties window consists of two columns. The first is the name of the property which user cannot change. The second column, which is the property setting that user can change. Any change in the property of the object will affect the object on the form. Next, we are going to see about the toolbox. The toolbox consists of the various objects that user will use to design the application. These objects called controls, otherwise it is called as tools. There are so many tools or controls available in toolbox, such as pointer, label, frame, checkbox, list box, horizontal scroll bar, timer, directory list box, shape, image, OLE, picture box, text box, command button, option button, combo box, vertical scroll bar, derived list box, file list box, line, data, etc. Form window. The form window is the central area where user can draw application. The forms are windows which holds control like buttons, checkbox, etc. which make user application. The large area of a form is called client area for working with different controls. Source code window. The source code window is where user type the code which will be execute. It has two parts, control box and event box. The heading of windows indicate which event the code is associated. It is a window where user write most of the code. Source code window, it shows the control box which contain two controls like a command one and form. Source code window, it shows the event box that selected control can perform this event. Opening, saving and running VB project. To open a VB project, invoke VB6 shortcut on the desktop or going through the pull-up menu, select VB program. Like start, from the start you have to select program, and from the program we have to select Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. To save a project, user need to save the project. For this, click File menu, select Save Project. The system will ask to save the form file and a project file. The form file is having the file extension of .frm and project file will have the extension of .vbp. Opening, saving and running VB project. After saving the project, the next step is to execute the program. Following are different ways to execute a project. Press F5 key on menu bar, click Run and Start button. On VB toolbar, click Run icon. Thank you.